Hey guys, just wanted to show you, I'm going to the post office. I just wanted to show you what I sold, and I've got two packages here. I got one more at home. Oh, three packages. So this is a purse, sold that for 10, I believe. It's a tray, 7. And oh, that's a picture, sold for 10. So it's not a lot, but these are things that I've had for sale for like at least 2 years, probably a year to 2 years. So, you know, at that point, I just take the lowball offers, get them off my shelf and get them mailed, and on to the next thing to make room for new items I'm purchasing. So I'm heading into the post office now. Hi there, just dropping off, and these are good to go. And that one. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Okay, bye-bye. Hey everyone, this is my lovely husband John working at his desk.
Yes, I really am working. I'm blessed to have a job where I work from home, and it's perfect for our lifestyle because every other day Cindy seemingly comes home with a truckload of stuff from a thrift store, and I can just log off and help her carry stuff up. I can roll out of bed. I'm actually not wearing much, and
He has underwear on.
Going to work. Well, I wasn't going to say, but yes. And yeah, it's a great life Cindy and I have together, and I look forward to talking with you guys about what she does and her successes, and how I help her and how we can help you. So,
Well, what do you do?
you know, Cindy and I, we have.
No, what is your job?
What do I do? Oh, I am a national recruiter. So I recruit for a large national logistics company. And so I recruit drivers, dispatchers, office personnel, and I absolutely love it. Up until a couple of years ago, I had my own business as a courier. I had a little courier business where I would deliver medical supplies and pharmaceuticals, and got tired of driving 1,500 miles a week, and the company I was driving for offered me this full-time from home position, and I jumped at it. So I went from driving 1,500 miles a week to 0, and it's been great.
What was the name of your courier company?
The name of my courier company was Statman Courier Service. You know, like Batman, but stat. You know the word stat from like watching medical shows on TV. Get this stat!
Hi guys, I'm at my local thrift store, and I'm at the front, and they have a lot of cool things in here, so I just wanted to show you. Nothing's caught my eye that I have to have yet, but that bowl's really pretty. Maybe not 20 bucks pretty, but it's just a cool little display they have here. I don't know if I would have thought to put a bowl in a rocking chair. Look at that in the back. That's neat. The gold piece on the wall. That's a pretty quilt. Well, it's not a quilt, it's an Afghan. There is a difference. Horsey painting. Neat. Cowboy boots, nice. Small feet, 5.5. It's okay. And looks like there's just furniture over here. And then we got this side. Family quilt, nice. Vintage toaster oven. Can you see that? I've never seen one like that. That is different. I guess that's the way they used to look. Oh, smiley blanket. Sorry about the reflection. I noticed there's a reflection from the front window. Oh, I used to have a lamp like that. Plate. That's an old iron. If that's how you say it. Neat eagle quilt. Got some more. Linus. Ooh. I think that would sell well, that plate. Lady in there looking at me. Oh, cute teddy bear. Roosevelt teddy. Pretty painting. Oh, look at the dolls over there. Linux vase, nice. I've sold Linux before. It sells well. That picture back there. Antique rocker. Oops! This is a fan that I just knocked over. I wanted to do a little dance for you on my balancing board. This is what I bought in my thrift store haul on Saturday. Hey, I'm not bad. Anyway, this is it. I got my thrift haul. And anyway, I said earlier that I was probably going to keep it, but I think I will sell it. I don't know. I might get 20, 25 bucks for that. It was only $2. So I wanted to show you what I got. Continue to show you. I've already shown you a lot. So anyway, my hubby got these. They are Woodstock boots, winter boots, men's size 9. Only paid $3. Here is, here's the other one. And winter boots sell year round. There are no seasons on eBay. So even though we're entering summer, I still sell these. I was going to do about $30. And I think they'll sell pretty quick. And we, like I said, we only paid $3. Oops, ding, ding, ding. Okay, this is a German Stein. Picked it up because it was German. I've done pretty well with things from Germany. I know it looks a bit modern. It doesn't look too old. There's no markings on it. But I thought this is something that would sell pretty quick. Yeah, somebody would like that. and only paid, oh, this one I paid $2.50. But most of the other mugs were 25 to 50 cents. Okay, this one says it took years of neglect to get a body like this. I thought that was so cute and funny. Look at the back. I just thought somebody would get a kick out of this. A funny mug sell. It was only 25 cents, so even if I got $5, you know, that's $4.75 profit. So every little bit helps. Okay. I got these coasters. I don't usually do that well with coasters. They kind of sit for a long time, so I've been trying not to buy them, but these were vintage, 25 cents. They're metal. There's 6 of them. And I know the tape's on here, so you can't really see, but really pretty colorful design. I found this adorable duck. Quack, quack. Isn't he cute? With this little blue and white gingham bow. He's not very heavy. He's kind of lightweight, so that's usually a telltale sign. It's not vintage, it's not good quality, but at $1, I was willing to take the risk. He is a modern piece, Yardworks Originals. So don't know what I'll get for him, but you know, at $1, $5 to $10, I am happy. I just pick this up. Sometimes I just pick things up because they appeal to me, and I think if it appeals to me, maybe it'll appeal to someone else. So this is a Hallmark plaque, and I know Hallmark can be collectible depending what it is and how old it is. There's the back. And it says, how often thoughts and hearts return to a home that's filled with love. Mary Dawson Hughes. So I just thought that was adorable. And if it doesn't sell, I'll keep it. This was a cute little mug. You know, I've been trying to get away from mugs, but you know, if they're really cute, a novelty mug that I think will sell, I will pick them up. They're not that hard to ship. I'll have to show you sometime in a shipping video. But what you want to do is wrap it in bubble wrap, and then you want to wrap it in cardboard, and you want to really bubble wrap the handle, because that's what would break the easiest. You bubble wrap the heck out of the handle, and then I do make a little cardboard tent around the mug, and then I ship it in a box. So yeah, you definitely want to ship these well. But anyway, I thought that was adorable, and I think somebody would really enjoy that for 10 to 15, 20 bucks. I found this really pretty snowflake bowl. I mean, I don't know if it's a Christmas bowl or not. It's not marked. I just thought it was pretty, so you know, somebody else might like it. 25 cents, you can't go wrong. Maybe 10 bucks on this. I haven't comped any of these things out, so I will be putting on the screen what I'm going to be listing them for and what I'm hoping they'll sell for, but you never know. So one of the things I wanted to mention is I put best offer on all of my items. I've been doing that for years. I think it's the only way to go. I think if you're selling and you're not putting best offer, you're leaving a lot of money on the table, and you're leaving a lot of sales on the table, because you know, a lot of people, they don't want to pay what you're asking, and if you don't have best offer, they move along. I've done that. I've gone to a listing and it's like, oh, I don't want to pay that, and they don't have best offer, so I'll move along and I'll find somebody who will take my offer or will be selling it for less. So, and I've gotten many, many offers over the years, and some low offers that I refuse to take. Others, you know, reasonable, so I'll take it. Or if the item's been listed for months and months, I'm more apt to take it than if I just listed an item. So, you know, it's definitely a thing I hope you will all consider doing. Anyway, this is a little vintage leaf dish. That was really pretty. Shiny luster, and I believe it says Goa, G-O-A, France. So for $1, I'll take a risk. Maybe 10, 15 bucks. But again, look at the screen to see what I'm going to be hopefully selling it for. But at $1, again, I don't mind taking a risk. So this is just for me. I thought it was a beautiful mug. Look at how pretty that is. And it's got the cool, it looks like paint running down. And it says Idaho, and I got it because I live in Idaho. I just moved here in January. So, yeah, I thought it'd be fun. It's only 50 cents. No markings, just a standard coffee mug, but, you know, it's pretty. This was a good find. Beatrix Potter. Now, the glass is broken, and it does have marks on it, but Beatrix Potter is highly collectible, so that's why I picked it up. It's only $1. And even though it has marks, I think that kind of goes with the design, the marks. It wouldn't bother me. And, you know, it doesn't matter if there's glass or not. Somebody's going to put a picture in there, and they're going to put it in their baby's room, the nursery, or kids' room. And I can't speak. Beatrix Potter is highly collectible. So, yeah. This is Peter Ran Away. Very cute. I don't know if you guys ever saw the movie with Renee Zellweger about Wager. I don't know how you say her name. She played Beatrix Potter, and it's a really cute movie. So I'd recommend that to you guys. It came out, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago. This is just a cute little thing I picked up. Jesus Never Fails. I think I'm going to keep this. I mean, I will look at the comps. I don't know if this would be worth anything. Looks pretty. Another little leaf dish. I think it's vintage. It says Richard Japan. That could be 70s. That would be my guess. I'm not sure. I've got to research it. Just really cute. I like the gold gilded edging and the pink. I think it's really pretty. People could put jewelry, or, you know, when my mom would come to visit, she'd always need like a little dish like this for her hearing aids. So, you know, that's probably what I would use it for. Anyway, this would be very easy to ship. And, you know, even $10, I would be thrilled with that. So that was it. That was my haul for today. And if you guys like this content, please let me know. Comment down below and let me know. If you don't like it, let me know that as well. I would love it if you'd like this video, give me a thumbs up, or if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. And also, if you could subscribe. This is a brand new channel. The next video I will be, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.